Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any gadget or product, just go to Amazon or Alibaba. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for more videos. So let's see our products and cleaning and organizing hacks we've got in this video. This is a brush you can use for your body. This is a small trash bin, and this is a brush you can use for cleaning your toilet. This is a small mop you can use for cleaning mirrors and windows. This is a small washing machine. It's really cool. You can also dry your clothes using this small washing machine. This is a small hanger you can use in the bathroom. This is a cleaner you can use for cleaning the floor. And this is a square mop you can use for the floor too. This is the shows and dryer, and this is a small cleaner you can use for the corners. This is a small box you can use for masks or wipes. This is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals or dry fruits. This is a rice cooker. This is another cooker you can use for seafood. She's gonna prepare something to eat. This is another cooker you can use for cakes. This is a small trimmer. You can use for shaving. Let's see how she's gonna handle the situation. This is a cooker. She's gonna prepare something to eat. This is another dispenser. These are plastic gloves you can use for washing the dishes, protects your hands. This is a small box you can use for cutlery. It's really beautiful apartment. This is another apartment. Let's see what's in this corner. This is a cleaner you can use for the corners in your car. That's a one you can use for the wheel.